The kiwi, a flightless bird native to New Zealand, is a fascinating and iconic species. It has several unique characteristics that set it apart from other birds. Kiwis are nocturnal, using their long beaks to probe the forest floor for insects, worms, and berries. They have tiny, vestigial wings and soft, hair-like feathers, giving them a furry appearance. Interestingly, kiwis lay the largest egg in relation to their body size of any bird species. They are also known for their exceptional sense of smell, which they use to locate prey and navigate their environment. Sadly, kiwis are endangered due to habitat loss and introduced predators. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these remarkable and cherished birds.